my name is Yash. I'm from Maker Global Company. So we are here to show our products. Like we are a company of 3D printing. We do 3D printings, prototyping, rapid prototyping. So basically we do prototypes and designs for across many domains. For example, automobile, aeronautics, civil engineering, and even day-to-day life like commercial use. For example, this kind of small figurines also. So basically what we do is that we take a design, we create a design of our own. If the clients wants the design, we create it on our own, or if they bring the design, we can create the 3D print. So what we do is basically we insert that the design into the software. This is a 3D printing software. It is a bamboo A1. So this what it does is it takes that information and it converts into something called as G codes and M codes. So these G codes and M codes are basically XYZ direction information about the product which you are going to create. So it uses that information to create whatever the figure you want to create. So in 3D printer we have this bamboo. In this bamboo we use different types of filaments. Like for example, we have right now which we are using right now is PLA based. So it's a PLA, you can see over here. It's a hard material. So this is a hard material. This is a PLA based material. So we have something called as TPU. So this is very flexible. You can see it's very flexible. So this material is called TPU. So we have different kinds of materials. We also have PEG-Gs. We have like other materials like nylon also. So these are something which we create. So the material which we create are something like you can see over here. There is a layer formation. So it's each and every layer which the computer is going right now, as you can see. So it's printing each and single every layer. So this is achieved with this machine over here. So to not have, for example, if you are planning to not have this rough surface, you want to keep it very clean. So we have something called as resin printing over here, you can see. So here we have a bed. So this bed has a resin fluid. So it's something like honey kind of viscous in nature. So we pour it in this bed and we give the same information to this machine, and the machine what it does is this is the bed of the machine and this is also the bed. So the bed is straight and here the bed is inverted. So what happens is this bed goes into the fluid and slowly it comes out of the fluid, and with the bed it also attaches the what the materials which you want to create. So for example, let's say that you want to create this dragon. So if you print it on this bed, it will be something like this, and if you want to create the same material on this, it will come like this, inverted. So what happens is when you create this inverted or even the straight, there are some parts which is floating. So for example, let's say this center part or this nose part, this jaw part. So what happens is as we are standing right now, we need some kind of base to stand on. So the materials also, we need something to stand on it. So what happens is when you have a floating body, this is called like a floating body. So this floating body needs some kind of support. So system what it does is it generates its own supports out of it, and once this support is generated, it's very flexible, you can see. It's easily breakable and removable. So this part is printed on top of the supports. So this is how you actually create a resin printing. So this is one of the resin printed body without the supports. We have done the cleaning and curing and all. So you can see it's very smooth. There is no sound or anything. It's very smooth completely. So this is achieved with resin printing. So resin printing is one of the newest technologies and one of the, right now it's very costly also. So